It's a rainy Friday afternoon and we're making a chocolate gravy pie. If you've never heard of chocolate gravy, I'm pretty sure it's a southern thing. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure. You'll have to let us know if you've had it other places. What it is like a chocolate sauce that most of the time people serve it over biscuits or toast. And it can be a breakfast or a dessert. Yes, people eat chocolate gravy for breakfast in these parts.
Tell them it's not gravy though, Mom.
Yeah, it's not gravy. It's like a chocolate sauce, but we just call it gravy because you pour it over the biscuit like you would, you know, gravy. So I've got the pie crust in here. I'm just gonna poke a few holes in it. So we're gonna put this in the oven for about 15 minutes. And while it's in there, we're gonna make the filling on the stovetop. Okay, I think that this pot will be big enough. We'll just go ahead and go with the bigger one, just in case. We're gonna put 3 cups of milk in here. There's 2 cups, 3. Now we're gonna put 1/3 of a cup of sugar in here with the milk. And we're just gonna leave this on medium for about 5 minutes, and I'll stir it every now and then while we're mixing the other stuff. Okay, so we'll let that cook. We're gonna grab another bowl. And here we're gonna put the other 1/3 of a cup of sugar, so you need 2/3 of a cup total. And we need 8 egg yolks, so that's gonna take just a minute. I had to wash 3 eggs. I already had some in the refrigerator. Now we'll save these egg whites. We'll just use them to make scrambled egg whites or egg white omelets or something for breakfast. Or sometimes we eat eggs for lunch or supper, as y'all know. Teaspoon of salt in here and a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. We're going to temper the egg yolk mixture with a little bit of the milk, just a little bit at a time, and then we'll add this to the pot. Okay, we'll slowly add this into the pot, and I've got it turned down to low now. And we're going to cook this for just about 3 to 5 minutes. I'll turn it back up just a little. When it starts to thicken, we'll remove it from the heat, and that's when we're going to add in the chocolate. We've got 2 of these bittersweet chocolate bars. We're going to add both of those in, and a teaspoon of vanilla.
This one will be in the middle.
Okay.
The green one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then close your eyes.
Okay, close your eyes. Everybody close your eyes out
I got
there.
mine closed, Pete. Tell me when I can open.
Now.
Oh! Whoa!
It's not in the middle.
It ain't in the middle anymore.
How did that happen?
How did that happen,
I kept on.
Speedy?
I was doing this.
You was? Okay.
I got something to do now. We all can see.
Hang on, Daddy. They're colors.
Don't worry about that. That's not gonna be a problem at all. I've done thought this through, actually.
Okay.
We know now that the green one is underneath the purple. Everybody watch. Watch close now. Watch close. Watch carefully. Whoop, I lost one right there, and y'all watch closely. Closely. Oh, now which one is it? How'd you know?
I looked closely.
Let me see if you can look closely this time. We see it's underneath the blue one? Okay. Everybody close your eyes.
Okay. Oh.
Close them. Which one's it in now?
Green one.
Sissy, how do you know that, baby?
She was staring, I think. Sissy, you close your eyes.
Keep your eyes closed, sissy.
Did y'all ever just went to Aldi and bought mango?
Yeah, that's what we went there
Both of
for. Let's show them what else we got from Aldi. We stopped by Aldi to get bananas and mango, and we found. Show them what we found. We told them about it a while back, and we did it. We found them at Aldi with the remote. Oh my goodness!
Whoa, there it is.
Look at that. And the remote also works the TV. Strange, yes. What's weird though is the remote turns the TV on, but it picks different apps to put it on every time.
Yeah,
like,
now it's on Disney.
now it's on Disney Plus. It tried to open up Netflix earlier. I guess the different colors open up different things on the TV. It can be white lights, red lights, blue lights, or they can do all the colors changing, right? It said you could dim them too, Cece. Let me see. Oh, look at that. They have a 5, 15, 30, or 60-minute timer. I'm feeling like this one needs to go to the left a little bit more, this one right here. Go ahead and get the coffee maker ready for in the morning. I keep my coffee filters in this little coffee container down here. I like getting the coffee ready the night before too, because it goes ahead and makes it start smelling like coffee in here. Especially if I grind up the beans. I don't have beans right now. We got some ground coffee. Titus wanted to get the McCafe coffee last time, and they don't have the whole bean in that. It's just ground. He loves the McCafe kind. It's not my favorite. My favorite's probably the 8 o'clock. We got this maple sugar the other day from Nora Mill Granary. It's just maple syrup. That's all it is. Ingredients, pure maple syrup. It's just, you know, in sugar form. I've been putting it in my coffee a little bit because I ran out of creamer yesterday or the day before. It's pretty good. It definitely tastes like, you know, maple syrup, but in sugar form. All right, y'all. It's been 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's been, or somewhere around 5 hours since we put this in the refrigerator. We're gonna see if it'll cut. I'm having a little bit of doubts about it, but we'll find out when we cut into it. Oh no, I think it might be good. Oh yeah. Very nice.
Great.
It kind of tastes like that old-fashioned chocolate pie that I make.
Smoother than that.
A little
It's
smoother.
really smooth, almost like not as sweet as fudge, but
Almost a creamy fudge texture.
yeah,
Yeah.
really good. Yeah.